Welcome, my name's Sean LaRue. I'm the executive chef here at Nirvana Spa. So we're going to show you a summer dressing using some of our finest quality ingredients around in the country. First ingredient, we have fabulous black raspberries here, fresh through summer. The antioxidant properties of these black raspberries are superior to most things, including blueberries and anything else found amongst our berry family. With dressings, the most important thing to be doing is an emulsification. Emulsifying is using fats in order to create a smooth and silky dressing that you can buy within the shops. A lot of people are afraid of doing such things. However, when it comes to any sort of cooking, a little bit of confidence, a little bit of skill, and a little bit of passion is all you need. Right, let's begin then with the emulsification process. In order to be able to emulsify, you need to have some body to your dressing. That way the oil and the body combine together to create the emulsification. So always begin with our Dijon mustard. Make sure that you use some nice good French Dijon mustard here. Here we have some agave syrup. White wine vinegar for the acidity. A bit of balsamic vinegar for a little bit of sweetness, color, and balance to the acidity. Our beautiful black raspberries, slightly difficult to acquire. Make sure that you go online, find the right reputable supplier, get the proper Dinkum product, and you won't go wrong. Right, so that's stage one complete. We have our mustard, black raspberries, white wine vinegar, and balsamic vinegar inside. The next thing to do is to emulsify with the rapeseed oil. So we turn ourselves back on again, being safe not to allow the blender to splash. Okay, that's our emulsification process done. The next thing we need to be able to do is remove all of the seeds from our fresh raspberries. The last thing you want is to have some seeds within your teeth whilst eating. Very quick process. Run a spoon or a ladle through, and out comes a nice, smooth, vibrant colored, creamy and emulsified dressing. Last thing to do is the finishing touches. We have a little bit of fresh lime juice. Little pinch of salt. And a good mix together. And that's it, your fresh, vibrant black raspberry dressing. Okay, so now we're going to show you our Powerbowl dish, which the black raspberry dressing accompanies here at Nirvana Spa. So I'm just going to have James bring over for us. Thank you, James. Right, so inside our Powerbowl we have char-grilled sweet potatoes, mixed quinoa, red, white and black. Mixed toasted seeds, Brazil nuts, goji berries, mache leaf, spinach, watercress, everything that is good for you, tasty for you, vibrant in color. And the last thing that such a thing needs is a beautiful, creamy, healthy, tasty dressing. Voila.